Okay. A little overview of how the immigration process works in the United States. Immigration is split into two categories primarily. Immigrant, for those who want to come to the United States forever, and non-immigrant, people who want to return back to their country. Of both of these categories, you have, again, a split. There's family, and there's employment. And there's some others, but we're just going to stay with the family and employment. Now, as we discussed 214B, that's here. This is an overlying presumption in the immigration law. It is there for most visa categories, but not all. So one of the things that you always have to remember is we believe you're going to come to the United States forever. And that burden is on you to show that that's not true. Okay? Now, the exceptions to that are the H-1B and the L-1. That recognizes dual intent. In other words, you can have two intents at the same time. You can have a non-immigrant intent, I'm going to go back, and you can have an immigrant intent, I'm going to stay. And that's perfectly fine for those two visas. All other visa categories are subject to 214B. So, a hint. If you want to have an immigrant and non-immigrant intent, and you can fit yourself into one of those two categories, H-1B or L-1, it's going to be easier for you. You don't have to worry about it. If not, the world does not end, but we'll have to find the proper category for you. So
one more time, H-1B and L-1 is for?
So an H-1B are for professionals. An L-1, there's two types. We'll go into this in more detail, but the L-1, there's an L-1A and an L-1B.